Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to achieve this rotation animation on Figma. This was done with Smart Animate. So let's dive into the video, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is to come up with a frame. So you can, as you can see here, this is basically a MacBook Air frame. So you can go to this part of Figma. Once you click on frame, you can go here and select any frame of your choice. So what we basically have is a nav, the nav bar, a text and a button. So I will be leaving this a link to this particular file in the description section, so you can check the description to have access to this file so that you can also practice as you watch the tutorial. So as you can see, it's basically a text, a button. So our main focus here is for how we were able to come up with that rotation animation, like for the place to be rotating in circles as if um, is like a round table where different meals are being served. So because anytime you are coming up with an animation on Figma, you have to make sure it's purposeful. There's a purpose behind the animation you're doing. So this is for this particular animation is like to showcase different meal that is owned by this restaurant. You can see this is a restaurant website. So we want to come up with an animation that shows different kind of meal they offer and their pricing. So the first thing we're going to do, let me give this a feel so that you understand this better. Let me increase the opacity. So as you can see, I basically drew a circle. So this is a circle, and these are just images. As you can see, this is an image, and this is a circle ellipsis containing the price. So this is just like the basic shape. So for you to get any image at all, for you to get any image, you can go to either on Splash. There are different websites where you can get free stock images, so you can get any image of your choice. So this is just an image, this is just a circle and a text. So the image and this pricing tag was grouped together. So that's basically what was done here. So after getting your image, coming up with your image and your pricing, you are going to group. As you can see, this is just a grouping with the image and the pricing. Remember, the pricing was done with circle and a text. So this was just basically grouped together. So after grouping the four items, the two items, so after grouping, so what you are going to do is to place it on top of the circle. So just be with me, you understand why we're placing it on top of the circle. So remember, this is just a group, so there's nothing special about this. This is just an image with a pricing tag grouped together. So this will be placed on top of the circle. This is just a big circle, so these images are going to be placed on top of the circle. Then we're going to group them. We hold down our shift key, click on each of the items, group them. So once we group them, um we're going to place it inside our design. So just drag. So just be with me, you understand. So we drag it in, then move it downward. So our main goal is not to we don't want the color of this big circle to show in our design. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to this place, this pass through. If you check by the right hand side of your Figma, the right sidebar, you are going to see pass through. On you see layer, under layer you're going to see pass through. Then you change the 100% there to 0, because our goal is not to showcase that color. We just want our image to be seen. So we're going to reduce that opacity. So that has been done for the opacity of the main bigger circle. Please follow along. If you don't understand, please feel free to ask question. So for this particular image and pricing tag, we can decide to rotate it to our choice. So I'm just basically rotating it to my satisfaction so that it will look better. So I'll duplicate this, holding down my alt to duplicate this um, design, and I will do the same for the second one. So what I will do is to rotate this. So once you click on this, remember this is the grouping of the 4 images together with the bigger circle. So I will just rotate this. So once I rotate it, you can see the second image. You can see the second image. So I will zoom in. So when I zoom in, I'll click on this and also rotate it to my choice so that the user can see the price tag. So the first price tag is 12. Let me change the color of this one. Yeah. So the first price tag is 12. I'll change this to 10. So because this is kind of close to the screw button, if you watch, you can see a screw button here. So I'll basically shape this a little further. So I'll shape this a little further so that it will look better. I can also go as far as rotating it again to my choice. So I'll also duplicate this. So I'm duplicating this. Do the same for the third. So I'll also rotate this one too to get my third image. Rotate this too. Change the pricing to $8. Locate the fourth. Do the same thing for the fourth. Get the last image. Also rotate this. So you can go as far as adding in an effect to your image so that it can have this kind of glow effect. So let me add this glow. So I already have an effect saved. So this my effect is 0 for X, and Y is 4. Then this is the color code. Blur is 200. So for me to have this kind of like glow effect, if you can see the glow effect under it, so I just want it to have that kind of glow effect so that it will not just be just like that. So I just want it to have a particular feel. So that is done. So we're going on to our prototype. For our prototype, what we're going to do, so we basically click on this, connect this frame to the second one. So this is going to be on mouse enter because we don't want to click this. This rotation is going to be moving on its own. We don't have to click on anything for this rotation to work. So that's why I'm giving it mouse enter. So so this is going to be smart animate. It's going to I want to use this as ease in. Then I want this to be very slow. So I'll make this 5,000. So for the second one, we're going to um, we're going to um, we're going to do an after delay because we don't want to be in charge of um, we don't want to be in control of the prototype. So after delay, basically you're allowing the prototype to operate on its own. So don't worry, as when I do it, you understand what I mean. So this is just going to be 1 millisecond. So we already have our smart animate is in and 5,000. So we'll do the same for this one. So this will be after delay 1 millisecond. So let's preview our design to see what we have. So as you can see guys, this is what we have. Our meals are rotating slowly. So let me preview it again from the beginning so that you can see. So once on mouse enter, let me start from the beginning. So on mouse enter, remember this will move. Then after delay is we're not clicking on anything, it's rotating by itself. That's what we mean by after delay. We don't have to click on anything. So after delay we just prototype itself by itself. So yeah, so that's it guys for this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Thank you so much guys for watching.